guys, I am so excited because today I'm going to do a really simple log cabin, but you can do it with scraps. And considering that we're all locked into our houses, I thought this would be a really good one, especially if you do have a bunch of scraps. If you want the PDF for this and the other blocks that I'm doing right now, all you have to do is join my Fabric VIP group. You can click on my profile link and choose exclusive VIP to join. Or you can go to karinagardner.com and click on exclusive VIP. I want you guys to have these PDFs. I send out weekly PDFs and free stuff, free tutorials, so that you guys are in the know. Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna start out with a 2.5 inch center. Now, I don't have an idea of how big I want this block. I'm probably just gonna sew it together and then trim it down to a specific size. So I'm just gonna take another block, and I don't even know the size of it. You just need it to be a little bit longer than your 2.5 inch square. And you're just gonna sew one edge of it together, okay? All right, there you go. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna press it in. You can press it out if you want to. Press it in, and then all I'm gonna do is trim down this edge so that it matches up with the middle block. Throw away that little bit. And that's how I'm beginning. Okay, so the next one is just a little bit longer. You can see it's just scrappy. I mean, I haven't even measured that thing out. So you're just gonna start in a corner and sew it right along the edge there. Okay, here we go. There it is. We're just gonna press it in again. And then you got it. We're going to trim this off. And I'm just matching it up to the middle square. Make sure your middle square is measured well, because the rest of it relies on that middle square. Okay, so this is where we're at. So we're gonna work on that edge right there. I'm gonna throw this piece on it. I'm just going to match it up like this. See if you guys can see what's going on here. I love how scrappy this turns out. I'm just gonna press it. All right, there you go. And we're gonna trim it from the middle. Okay, there's where we're at. And we're just gonna add the next piece to it. We're gonna do it on this longer edge. You can see right there. Okay, and you can see I have like this long edge here. That's okay. Press it in place like that, and then we're going to trim off the edge. You can see how this could go on forever. You could make an entire quilt this way. Start from the center, work your way out. I'm clearly not doing that. Okay, so the last one I put on was this one. So I keep working my way around. All right, and I'm just gonna press it, and then I'm gonna trim both ends. You can see it right here where I kind of started it on in the middle. That way I could kind of square it up and see what's going on with it. Okay, so here's our final cool log cabin. Isn't it so awesome, you guys? I love it. I love the scrappiness of it, and I love the way it looks. No matter where you turn it, it's so awesome. So don't worry if you kind of mess up on a side or you add to one side before another. That's not the point. The point is that It is a very fun, scrappy block. So I hope you have a chance to take a look at it. You can measure it out and make sure and square the whole thing up from the outside. So that's super simple to do. And because you can see I've got this block itself is a little bit crazy. I'm just going to take a peek and see. All right, so I'm just going to match that up. There's a little bit more to trim off. And if you want it to be even, you could trim off both sides if you wanted instead. All right, there it is. 9.5 inches is what mine ended up being. So I hope you have a chance to make this. Use up all those fun scraps and make a really fantastic quilt out of it. And I will see you later.